So you might be wondering, what is thermal paste and why do I need it? Well, this is a GPU chip here, and this is a CPU. This is a 2011 MacBook Pro, and this is the infamous AMD chip that goes bad, or it becomes unsoldered. Anyway, I attempted to reflow this board, and now it's time to put the heatsink back on. Here's the heatsink that Apple supplies. So to put on paste, thermal paste, you want to clean off these chips, which you can see they're clean. You want to clean off the surface on the heatsink. And then you want to find some thermal paste. I think this stuff here was only $6 on eBay. So you don't want to put on too much, but put on enough that when the heatsink is smashed down, that this thing's going to have enough paste on it. So this is a huge bunch of paste here. Let's try and get some to come out. Okay, there's a little bit coming out. Let's dab it on here and see how it goes. Are we dabbing it here? Yeah, it's dabbing. So, I mean, that's way too much. I'll put a dab on here. That's probably about right for that. It's probably way too much though. So anyway, if you put on too much, just take it off. Anyway, it'll smash down, and you don't want to put on too much. It'll smash down and you'll be all set. So anyway, that's what thermal paste is. Guess I'm going to take some of it off of there. It's too much. Spread it out a bit. Yeah, that's probably about right there. So anyway, put the heatsink on and we're good to go. Here's the heatsink. Just lay it on there and you'll be great. Good to go. That's all there is to it. Screw it down, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Again, that's how to apply thermal paste to a CPU and a GPU. Have a great day.